Hey guys, today we have a lot to cover. First of all, a very saddening news. It seems that there is a huge performance difference between the Snapdragon 845 and the Exynos 9810 that are going into the Galaxy S9. The Exynos 9810 is way ahead of Snapdragon 845, with Snapdragon 845 scoring just around 2400 in single core and around 8100 in multi-core score, which is not great at all. And when you compare it to the performance of the Exynos 9810, it just feels mediocre. The Exynos 9810 Samsung claims will be twice than before in single core, which is around 3900, and will be 40% more in multi-core, which is around 9000, which are some huge numbers. So there is a huge difference, and to mask the gap between these two, Samsung will definitely underclock the Exynos 9810, hindering its performance. So that is a bit disappointing. Samsung was so confident in Exynos 9810's performance that they even decided to make a mirrorless camera with it. But due to the performance of the Snapdragon 845, they will underclock the beast. So let's move on to the Galaxy S9 super slow motion video feature. We have a leak that lets us know how this feature might actually work. So basically it will work in two ways. In the first one, while recording normal video, there would be a button which when clicked will switch to super slow motion video, and the second way is actually selecting super slow motion in modes, and camera will start recording video normally, but it will automatically go into super slow motion when a movement is detected in the frame. And if you ask me, it seems very cool. The first method is inspired by the Xperia XZ Premium's feature, but it could only do that in short bursts. The Galaxy S9 is rumored to do this for a longer period. And to the DeXPad, we have new leaks as to how the new DeXPad would look and work. So this is how it looks, and as you can see that the device is laid flat on the pad, as the device can now be used as mouse or keyboard, which is a great functionality as you need less things to work while working on Samsung DeX. In the picture, we can see that there are two USB ports, a full-size HDMI port, and a USB Type-C for the charger. In the picture, we can also see the speaker grill of the Galaxy S9, and it looks much better than before as it has been leaked to be tuned by AKG. So guys, we know everything about the Galaxy S9 now, down to the every single detail, and the Galaxy S9 must be a long way into its production. So let's talk about the Galaxy S10 now. Yes guys, the Galaxy S9 has not even been launched yet, and we have already started to get the leaks about the Galaxy S10. First of all, we have leak regarding the possible specs of the Galaxy S10. It states that the Galaxy S10 will have 5G capabilities, which is 10 gigabits per second. Even though I don't think any carrier would be coming anywhere close to this anytime soon. Then you have UFS 3.0 storage, which actually increases the performance of a device, as we saw when the Galaxy S8 was launched. The Galaxy S10 will come with DDR5 RAM, and it will have enhanced 3D capabilities with a separate AI chip built inside it. According to these rumors, the Galaxy S10 will have a little over 93% screen to body ratio, which is just insane. It is 10% more than the current Galaxy S8. So guys, this is all we have right now, and I have a question for you. What do you think Samsung will do about the gap between the performance of the Snapdragon 845 and the Exynos 9810? I hope you like this video. For upcoming content, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Snoria signing off.